In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace front sway bar links on a Jeep Renegade located right behind the front tires attached to the strut. 17mm socket. Let's take the lug studs off. So to remove the sway bar link, 18mm nut, and that Torx bit head is a T30. So I'm going to break the nut free first, give it less stress on my tool. Right till I start to see that stud spin, like that. Keep that 18 there. Take my T30, put it on the tightening side. Now we're going to do the same to the bottom part. So here's the bottom link. The link is attached to the sway bar itself, 18mm wrench. And we're going to break that free until we feel that stud start to move. There it is, starting to move. So now we can get our T30, and I'm going to put it on a ratchet. Can't get many electric or air tools in there. 18mm wrench, I'm going to hold that steady. I'm going to go up through the top here, get my T30 Torx on there. There we go. And I'm going to hold that. Once I got it loose enough, I feel comfortable, I'm going to get a wrench ratchet. Okay, that's going the correct way. And I'll get a breaker bar with that T30. Put it on the top side here. All right, take that out. So the new one, instead of a Torx head in there, it is now an Allen head. And I have a 5mm Allen head, and the nut is still 18mm wrench or socket. We're going to remove both the nuts. Install it. I'm going to put the top on first. That way it will hold it steady while I'm ratcheting on the bottom. Just putting the nut on the bottom so I don't lose it. There we go. Now with an 18mm wrench and that Allen head socket, I'm going to hold the nut steady, and I'm going to put it on my electric drill. There we go, now bottomed out. We'll torque that after we get the bottom. 18mm ratchet wrench or wrench on the bottom. I'm going to tighten it until that stud starts to turn. All right, there it is. So now we can put our 5mm Allen head on there. Right in the center of that stud. Hold that. There we go, bottomed out. Take the Allen head off. Now let's get the torque wrench. So now we're going to torque the sway bar link It's an 18 millimeter socket. It's 59 foot-pounds. Okay, let's go to the bottom and move over to the short socket. All right, so I just snugged it up again. Now I know I'm bottomed out. Install the wheel. Line up the lug holes. Lug studs, starting by hand. Okay, now we can lower it and torque it to spec. Wheel torque is 89 foot-pounds, 17 millimeter socket. Do it in a star pattern. Double check. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.